Welcome to Affordable Garage Door Service, your trusted partner for all your garage door needs in Arkansas. Meet Angelique Jones, the dedicated owner and heart of this business, who has been serving our community with passion and expertise since 2005. At Affordable Garage Door Service, we understand that your garage is more than just a place to park your car. It's an essential part of your home's security and convenience. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of services to keep your garage door in top-notch condition. Whether you need a brand new garage door or want to repair your existing one, we've got you covered. Our skilled technicians excel in garage door installation, ensuring a seamless fit and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Is your garage door acting up? Don't worry. Our team is equipped to handle any garage door repair, from fixing off-track doors to replacing cables, springs, and rollers. Are you tired of manually operating your garage door? Upgrade to the latest technology with our premium garage door openers. They provide convenience, security, and peace of mind, all at your fingertips. Have an old and worn-out garage door? It's time for a replacement. Our extensive collection of garage doors offers styles to suit every taste and budget, giving your home a fresh, modern look. At Affordable Garage Door Service, we take pride in our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. With our experienced team and top-notch equipment, you can trust us to deliver excellence in every project. Don't let a malfunctioning garage door spoil your day. Reach out to Affordable Garage Door Service today, and let us take care of all your garage door needs. Affordable Garage Door Service, your gateway to hassle-free and reliable garage doors in Arkansas. Experience the difference today. Contacting us is so easy with our updated system through any source our customers want. We are available for customers comfortable to call with digits. Call with digits, 501-261-7765.